Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and a restore point. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, open Event Viewer and copy the error message and file path so you know which config file failed. Make sure to close the application that threw the error and temporarily disable antivirus because real-time scanners sometimes lock config files. You will act fast on the config file itself in the next steps. Having these prerequisites completed saves time and prevents avoidable interruptions. You now locate the exact config file path reported by the error and open it in a proper editor that shows XML structure. Once open, validate the XML visually or with built-in validation. Common causes are unclosed tags, stray ampersands, or bad encoding. If you find corruption, restore a known good backup or copy the default config from another installation. Alternatively, remove only the problematic section and save. Make sure to keep a backup of the original file before edits, so you can revert instantly if needed. You finish by restarting the application and, when appropriate, running it as administrator to confirm the fix. Once restarted, check Event Viewer to ensure the configuration error is gone. If it persists, remove per-user config files, recycle the IIS app pool, or run sfc/scano to repair system files that may interfere. Make sure to verify file encoding. Mismatched encodings or a BOM can reintroduce the error, so convert to the correct encoding and retest. That single check resolves many stubborn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.